Today's Cyber Attacks Explained. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ever-evolving world of cyber attacks. From data breaches to ransomware, these digital threats can impact anyone. But fear not, I'm here to break down the latest cyber attack news in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're new to cybersecurity. Let's jump right in. Here are some of the trending cyber attack stories this week. Lazarus Group's Laundry Day. North Korea's notorious hacking group, Lazarus, is back in the news. They're suspected of using a cryptocurrency mixing service called Tornado Cash to launder millions stolen from a crypto exchange last year. Remember, these services can make it tough to track stolen money. Critical infrastructure under fire. A new report reveals a worrying trend. Hackers are increasingly targeting critical infrastructure providers, like power plants and water treatment facilities. They're developing new malware to exploit vulnerabilities, raising concerns about potential disruptions to essential services. State-backed threats on the rise. Several countries, including Australia, are warning about the growing threat of cyber attacks backed by foreign governments. These attacks can be highly sophisticated and target sensitive information or critical infrastructure. So, what can you do to protect yourself? Here are some quick tips. Keep your software updated. Updates often include security patches, so install them promptly. Be cautious with links and attachments. Don't click on suspicious emails or download files from unknown sources. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to a cyber attack. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Let me know in the comments what other cyber attack topics you'd like to see covered. Remember, staying informed is your best defense against these digital threats. Until next time, stay safe out there.